Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a nil tax return online, step by step. First, let's clarify what a nil return entails. It means you had no taxable income or tax liability for the period. You must confirm your eligibility, as not everyone qualifies. Ensure you have your personal details and any relevant tax identification numbers ready before starting the process. Next, you'll need to access your country's official tax authority website. This is where you'll find the online filing portal. Log in using your existing user ID and password. If you haven't registered before, follow the prompts to create a new account. Always ensure you are on the legitimate government website for security and to protect your personal information. Once logged in, locate the option to file a tax return and select the appropriate tax period. Look for a specific declaration or checkbox indicating a nil return. You'll need to confirm that you had no taxable income and no tax due for the period. Double-check all sections to ensure they reflect zero values where applicable, ensuring accuracy. Finally, before submitting, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire return. Ensure all fields correctly indicate zero income and zero tax liability. Once you are confident everything is accurate, proceed with the submission. Remember to save or print the confirmation receipt as proof of your filing. This completes the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.